If you aren't sure which Dyson V7 you have, check your battery for the model number 229687. That's the 6 cell number you can find under the battery pack. Now, this replacement battery pack fits perfectly and even works with your original wall mounted charger with zero issues. Growing up, we all remember those heavy, corded vacuums that were a chore to lug around. Moving to a lightweight Dyson was a win for our home, but after a few years, the battery couldn't keep up with our family. We'd get 5 minutes of cleaning done before it would run out, and on max suction, it lasted under 10 seconds. But before you think about replacing the whole vacuum, this is a better way to save. This replacement is a fraction of the cost and has 4 times the capacity of the original. It even comes with a needed screwdriver, extra screws, extra filters, and a new cover. Side by side, the quality is indistinguishable from the factory parts. The install is simple and takes under 10 minutes. The instructions on the box weren't relevant to my specific model, but once you see where the screws go, it's a breeze. We've had it for a week and it has worked flawlessly. It comes with a 1-year warranty, and online they even invite you to contact customer support if you ever have a problem. So now we can vacuum for 10 minutes straight, mixing between max suction and regular use. This is a smart, budget-friendly way to keep the house tidy for the kids while saving serious money.